What do you think was going to happen when you didn't report?
I didn't think anything of it at the time, but I knew eventually something like this would come.
No. So you knew that if you did not report, a motion to revoke was going to be filed. Eventually, you were going to be picked up and arrested.
Actually, I didn't know that, Your Honor.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
Who's here on Travis Smith?
I am not.
Who said I am?
I am, yeah.
Oh. All right, so what is happening with Mr. Smith?
Okay.
Where's Mr. Smith? Come down, Mr. Smith.
Now,
What is happening on the motion to revoke?
okay, currently,
Oh, no problem. So what's happening on the motion to revoke?
apparently the court had made that a woman named Bernadette Contreras had talked to the court about she's with the fugitive recovery people, and she had made an agreement with the court that court would reset him for compliance. He would do some AANA meetings and make some payments on his outstanding fees and fines and submit some clean UAs. And then before he could start that, he got arrested on the MTR. So we're hoping that the judge will grant the reset and give him the compliance hearing so that he can catch up and take care of it.
Oh, no, the compliance hearing thing, that was a compliance hearing set in April.
Judge, the hearing wasn't actually set. So before we could get it on the docket and so forth, working with the first fugitive task force, he was trying to show some progress to the court. So he was working on doing some things, and before everything happened, before we can show that progress and get it on the docket as a compliance hearing, he was arrested for the MTR.
All right. So this is my suggestion to parties. Let's proceed with the motion to revoke and let's see where we are. And everybody can present whatever they want to present to the court, and the court will make a ruling. If y'all want to do that, or if y'all want to set it for contested, whatever y'all want to do. But if y'all will confer and let me know.
We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
conferred.
All right, thank you. So,
We have conferred, yes, Judge.
so what's happening with the motion to revoke? Are we going forth on the motion to revoke?
I believe, Mr. Hicks, did you want to ask for, was it a compliance, or are you ready, Mr. Hicks, now?
I would like to delay the motion result to allow for him to complete to do the compliance. The stuff that you learned for the compliance hearing. He is being revoked because of lengthy failure to report. He said that when he first,
I mean, was he in like a coma or something?
not exactly.
I mean, I don't understand the not reporting.
Okay, and that's the hard part to explain. The
Okay.
first couple of times, he didn't have any money to pay his fees. He says, the probation officer said, if you don't pay your fees, we're gonna revoke.
All right, so it sounds to me like you
Sure.
all need to have the motion heard, and then he can plead true or not true. If he pleads true, I'll hear whatever explanation people want to present to me, and then I'll make a ruling. Or if y'all want to set it for contested, we'll set it for contested.
If we set it for contested, and he performs the conditions that the judge had ordered for his compliance, that effect,
I mean, I don't know. Because I haven't seen anything. I'm just gonna deal with what's in front of me. I can't tell you how I'm gonna rule before I hear everything.
I'm not understanding what's in there.
Y'all, so here's the thing.
Yes, ma'am.
You have a motion to revoke.
Yeah, I was,
All right, you are on deferred adjudication for burglary habitation.
yes, ma'am.
Range of punishment is up to 20 years in prison.
Yes, ma'am.
They have allegations in this motion to revoke, certain things that you have not done.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know any facts, right? I don't know if you've done these or not done these, but they're alleging that you've tested positive. They've alleged that they haven't seen you perhaps since 2019.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So And they said that you didn't report your change of address and you haven't been attending your AA meetings. So those are the allegations that are in the motion to revoke.
Okay,
So with regards to those allegations in the motion to revoke, you can either plead true to them or not true to them. If you plead not true to them, what's going to end up happening is it will be set for a contested hearing. What that means is that the state has to prove their case. And with motions to revoke, their burden of proof is not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. All right? It's a lesser burden of proof that they have.
yes, ma'am.
And I will listen. And if I believe they've proven their case, then I will find it true. And then I will hear, if they say we want revocation, or if they say they want you to be continued, then your counsel can present information. I'm assuming he's going to say he wants you to be continued. But here's the thing. Motions to revoke and being on probation, those are contracts with the court.
Yes, ma'am.
So if the state says we want him continued and your client and your defense attorney says he wants you continued and probation says he wants you continued, I don't have to do it.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can still revoke you and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. I can't have your attorney or the state say, oh, this is everything that was going on. What would you do if we presented this information to you?
I understand.
That's not the way it works. I would just sit here, listen to whatever argument people want to bring me, and then I'll make a decision on whether to revoke you or to continue you.
I understand now.
Okay?
Yes.
All right, so if you'll discuss that with your attorney, then let me know what you all want to do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's here on Travis Shane Smith?
I am.
Are you all ready to proceed?
We are.
Are you proceeding on the motion?
Yes, Your Honor. 10 days wasn't going to be enough time to do anything meaningful on the probation.
All right. Court is calling 2016 CR 4751B State versus Travis Shane Smith. Can I have parties announce?
Deputy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Bob Hicks for Travis Smith, Your Honor.
And are you Travis Smith?
I am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
It's this document.
Yes, ma'am.
You reviewed that?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Travis Shane Smith who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2016 CR 4751B for the offense of burglary of a habitation of force on February 13, 2017 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. The state is intending on proceeding violation condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Travis Shane Smith, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer in person for the months of September and October 2019 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Sure.
Confirm with the state.
Your Honor, there is a correction to be made. The state is not proceeding on that violation.
Okay.
The state apologizes. State is proceeding on violation of condition number 17. In
Okay.
Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Travis Shane Smith, did then and there fail to attend and provide verification of Alcoholics Anonymous / Narcotics Anonymous meetings for the months of May, June, July, August, September, and October 2019 in violation of condition number 17.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
The state will waive and abandon the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
None, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 17, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
I do understand that, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 17?
I do so, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 17 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Judge.
Yes.
The judge is Your Honor, the state is recommending revocation and sentencing. The state understands you've got the full range. We are recommending 5 years, Your Honor.
We understand that it's been revoked. We would like to request 2 years instead of 5. He has, except for the things that he has done spectacularly badly, he was sent to aftercare, sent to SATIC and completed that successfully. because of a series of drug tests and bad drug tests in 17. He completed the aftercare program, completed outpatient substance abuse. And since the time that this happened, why did you not attend?
You want to raise your right hand for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Travis Shays.
All right, you may proceed.
Is there any reason why you did not attend the Alcoholics Anonymous or Narcotics Anonymous class?
It was solely for the reason that.
Just 1 second. Excuse me, if you all could whisper. All right, you can continue.
It was solely for the reason that I did not have any way to complete the money payments into the program. And I did not have, I had felt a sense of fear that if I went in, I would be arrested for not completing motion 17, the non-completion of the alcoholics. Anonymous class.
Right. But John Jay.
Any other questions?
I felt the shame and fear, Your Honor, of that. And after a while, it became complacency, and I have no one to blame but myself on that. I understand that.
Any other questions?
None, Your Honor.
All right, so here's my question for you. What do you think was going to happen when you didn't report?
I didn't think anything of it at the time, but I knew eventually something like this would come.
Oh, so you knew that if you did not report, a motion to revoke was going to be filed. Eventually, you were going to be picked up and arrested.
Actually, I didn't know that, Your Honor.
So did you ever call probation?
I did not, Your Honor.
All right, so what have you been doing since you have not been reporting?
I've been for just living my life. I've picked up work. I'm steadily employed.
Doing what?
I'm a welder and fabricator and installer
All right, and how long have you been doing that?
for 3.5 years now.
All right. So why didn't you pay any money? If you've been welding, welding pays good money. Welding pays more than what I make.
That's a fair question, Your Honor. And as I said, it was the simple complacency of not having done it. And I regret now, looking back on it, not having done it.
All right.
I understand it was only my fault.
All right. Anything else, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I need your client to fill out the trial court certification form. He needs to sign that. Thank you.
But of course.
All right. The court is going to find you guilty, revoke. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. You'll receive credit for successful completion of inpatient treatment. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion,
Yes.
not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I do understand that.
Good luck to you. Do better, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.